Hello, everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of English with Altaf. I'm Annie.
And I'm Altaf. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very important topic. I believe I will speak English one day.
Yes, this topic is full of hope, motivation, and strong belief. If you sometimes feel you can't speak English, then stay with us.
We will share some real tips, simple sentences, and motivational thoughts to help you believe in yourself and improve your English.
So, Altaf, let's begin. Why do you think people say, I can't speak English even when they want to learn it?
That's a great question, Annie. I think many people are scared. They are afraid of making mistakes. They feel shy. They think others will laugh at them.
Yes, I agree. Many learners feel nervous. They want to speak fluently from the first day, but that's not how learning works.
Exactly. Learning English is like learning how to ride a bicycle. At first, you fall, but then, slowly, you balance. And one day, you ride freely.
That's a beautiful example, Altaf. So let's say someone is watching this video and thinking, I want to speak English, but I'm too weak. What should that person do?
Well, first, the person should say, I believe I will speak English one day. This belief is the first step. Without belief, nothing will work.
Yes, belief is powerful. If you say this sentence every day, I believe I will speak English one day, it will change your thinking.
And once your thinking changes, your actions will change. You will start practicing more. You'll stop worrying about mistakes.
Let's make it more practical. Altaf, what small things can learners do daily to move toward this goal of speaking English?
Great point, Annie. Here are some small but powerful actions. Speak 5 simple sentences every day. Watch one short English video daily. Read small English stories or news. Write a diary in English. Learn 5 new words every day.
That's amazing. Friends, these steps are easy, and you don't need to be perfect. Just start. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, even I made many mistakes when I started, but I never gave up. I kept saying, I believe I will speak English one day. And now I am helping others speak English.
Wow, that's inspiring, Altaf. Can you share a short story from your early days? Something about your English journey?
Of course, when I was learning English, I used to read loudly in my room. I had no one to speak with. So I used the mirror. I stood in front of the mirror and practiced.
That's smart. Speaking to yourself in the mirror helps with confidence and pronunciation.
Exactly. I also recorded my voice and listened to it. At first, I didn't like how I sounded, but slowly I improved.
That shows patience and dedication. Friends, listen to this carefully. Speaking English is a journey. It needs time, effort, and belief.
Yes. And the best part is, you don't need to be in a foreign country. You don't need expensive courses. You just need to use what you have.
You can use your mobile, your mirror, your notebook, anything. Just make English a part of your daily life.
And don't wait for the perfect moment. Some learners wait for the perfect teacher, the perfect book, or the perfect time. That time may never come. Start today.
Yes, start today. And say with us, I believe I will speak English one day.
Let's repeat it 3 times together with our viewers. Ready?
I believe I will speak English one day. I believe I will speak English one day. I believe I will speak English one day. Doesn't it feel powerful? Just by saying it, you start feeling confident.
And confidence is everything. Once you believe, you will take action. And action brings results.
Let's give our viewers a mini challenge. Altaf, what do you think?
Yes. Here's a small challenge for you, dear learners. Today, speak 5 sentences in English. Use a mirror, a friend, or even speak to yourself. But speak.
That's it. Start with small steps. Don't think about grammar too much. Just express your thoughts.
Let me give an example. My name is Ali. I live in Lahore. I want to learn English. I watch English videos. I believe I will speak English one day.
Simple, right? You can do it. You don't need fancy words. Just start with what you know.
Yes, and if you do this daily, you'll see improvement. Slowly, your sentences will get better, your vocabulary will grow, and your confidence will increase.
We're here to guide you. You're not alone. Subscribe to this channel, English with Altaf, and learn with us.
Before we end, let's summarize what we have learned today.
We talked about belief. The belief that one day you will speak English. This belief gives you strength and motivation.
We also shared daily habits that help improve English speaking, reading, writing, and watching simple content.
And we gave you a mini challenge to speak 5 sentences daily. These small steps will take you to big success.
Remember, no one was born fluent in English. Everyone started from zero. You can do it too.
Say it with us one last time. I believe I will speak English one day.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop believing in yourself.
See you in the next video. Take care and keep speaking English.